angry workers rioted at an iPhone manufacturing facility in India's Kolar city last Saturday, demanding unpaid wages and better working hours. 2,000 workers showed up and some ran amok by smashing glass windows and cars in the factory compound at Western Infocom, a Taiwanese company. Police then detained around 150 people. Apple said they are sending staff and auditors to the site to investigate if any labour practices were violated. The company estimated a damage of $7.12 million due to the riot.